Is it time to buy or sell LifeVantage stock? In this video, we will explore LifeVantage in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the second day of September in the year 2025, our system has ranked LifeVantage as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 0.66% so far. This equates to an average loss of 0.22% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and gentle rising trend in the short term, with indications of a further increase in this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 6% over the coming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from negative 1.38% to positive 15.87%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 3.35%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between negative 44.93% and positive 79.97% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price could fall between $7.41 and $24.22. Our latest daily update for LifeVantage features the headline, Lifevantage Corporation stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate following Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, the Lifevantage Corporation stock price experienced a decline of 0.81%, dropping from $13.57 to $13.46. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.92%, reaching a low of $13.23 and a high of $14.28. The stock has seen an upward trend, rising in 6 out of the last 10 days, with an overall increase of 8.55% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on that day by 83,000 shares, despite the falling prices, which could signal an early warning and slightly elevate risk in the coming days. In total, 157,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2,110,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $27.38, while the lowest was $8.17. Currently, the price stands 50.84%, or $13.92, below the 52-week high of $27.38, which is also the all-time high for the stock. LifeVantage on the 4th of September reported fourth quarter and full-year results for fiscal 2025 after the market close, marking the end of a summer filled with strategic initiatives. This week, the company announced its acquisition of LoveBiome, which expands its consultant network and strengthens its position in the rapidly growing gut health market. Management is set to present at the H.C. Wainwright Investment Conference next week, enhancing visibility among investors. Earlier achievements this year include compelling clinical data demonstrating strong effects from the Mind-Body GLP-1 system, a global Activate 2025 campaign aimed at boosting consultant engagement, a planned launch in the Icelandic market, and an increase in dividends announced in May, all indicating a focus on recurring revenue, subscription growth, and international expansion. In the short term, expect some volatility surrounding the earnings report and the upcoming conference. Positive top-line metrics, expansion of margins, or optimistic guidance, along with a favorable response to the LoveBiome acquisition, could potentially elevate the stock's value. The increase in dividends and the appearances at the conference may bolster sentiment and liquidity. Looking ahead, longer-term prospects for revenue and earnings per share growth hinge on clinical validation, improved subscription retention, successful integration of acquisitions, and international rollouts, which could support a higher valuation if execution and consultant retention are maintained. However, key risks that may limit upside potential include challenges with deal integration, churn in direct sales, competitive pressures, and fluctuations in macro consumer spending. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned LFVN a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 10th of January 2025, it was reported that Lake Street also assigned LFVN a buy rating, but with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December 2024, it was reported that Lake Street once again assigned LFVN a buy rating with an initiate action. Period. Analysts have assigned LifeVantage stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock an strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for LifeVantage. The LifeVantage Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, support is expected at levels of $13.30 and $13.25. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 8.55%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is presently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume increased while prices declined yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands reveal a buy signal from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has generated a buy signal from 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LifeVantage. LifeVantage Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $13.08. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and given the good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.05 between its high and low, which is approximately 7.92%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.36%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for LifeVantage, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.170. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LifeVantage. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LifeVantage is at $13.55. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LifeVantage encounters its first support level at $13.08. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LifeVantage from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Ora Carl, who bought and sold 83,966 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 2.835. Overall, insiders purchased 701,501 shares and sold 763,114 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.01, reflecting a decrease of 3.35%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is LifeVantage stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Lifevantage Corporation stock to perform well in the short term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 5th of September, we expect LifeVantage to open higher by nearly 0.2% and begin trading at $13.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.